Me not have time for that. A 3 pitney me have, and them take up all my time.
3 pitney?
Yes. Tiana, Brianna, Rihanna. 1 a 4, 1 a 6, and 1 a 8.
You look good for 3 youths still, no? Not even look like you have 1.
And that man always a tell me. I'ma end up believe them, and then look a bit after, boop, my breed.
I saw your first time, my girl.
Very. You should even sit down so close to me. Maybe me all a breed.
Yo, you're joking, my girl. How old you be?
Hello. You don't know say you're not supposed to ask one them age.
Just a check. I look like you're about 20.
So that means say me that breed from about 13.
That me I say.
Hold on there. When they are talk, you know my name and me don't know your name.
Oh, sorry. My name is Gilbert Armstrong. My friend then call me Siva.
Siva? So what kind of name that?
Trust me, you don't want to know that.
Oh, so you work on construction site and you citizen?
For a boy this me, will make him look like a sieve.
Oh, I understand now.
Yeah, a badness it name. You sneak up on boy and fool him up a hole.
Hey boy, don't move in. No.
Jesus Christ. Don't kill me.
Hey girl, lock him out. Nah, chat to you now, girl.
Alright, me shut my mouth.
Yo brother, who you?
Lock your mouth, Tina. Hey girl, Lego.
Lego what?
Cut. That me mean. Lift up.
Alright. Siva, if them they kill you, call me.
Hey girl, you're still there. Lift up now, man.
Alright, I'm gone. Bubbles, whisper out Siva. I'm on my way to you now. Alright.
Mother, where you know that Cassie there from?
When I know her, no, brother, we just come see her, so.
You know, it's the Dan baby mother do.
Dan? Me never know that, brother. She never tell me that.
She tell us that 3 pitney she have. Rihanna, Brianna, and Tiana.
Yeah, man. She that.
Hey boy, don't look round here. I want a regular spot this man dead. Who you know about ya?
A blacker man. Blacker my G, you know.
Informer blacker. So you're informer too. No work for the same Dan.
Yeah, man. Blacker wash care, man. My dad no come for no boy, so.
You know some I feel like I know your face, brother. You work with the coolie boy, I mean you Dan.
No, brother. Which dad that?
Same Dan on name Tony. Dog around me in a youth.
Yeah, man, brother. That was some man, Tony.
So where him there now? You do a work for him and him not deal with me yet, you know.
You know what I'm saying? Drop out for that. He done that ground.
What do you mean him drop out? So him drop out with my one? How who get rid of him?
You know, say it's a contractor, brother. When name Carter Wallace, get rid of him.
So now no family. Because I need to get my one, you know.
You know, so brother, him have a cousin. A sister named Miranda. And she alone know his family.
So she knows him drop out?
Yeah. I think she make off him too. And shot him, girl.
So how you know that? You did dead, eh?
I know, man. I meet up her spot.
Yo, hear me I say. I say between you and she, you sort it out for me to get my one, you know. So when you forward back yourself, make sure you give blacks. As a matter of fact, you have 3 days. And if you say nothing to her, I make you find out so you give out the info. And you next.
So brother, how much you have here?
10 pack.
10 pack, my lad. I can't get that right now.
US can't fit in your wallet.
Alright, boss. I start out, boss.
3 days. Keep your eye in front of you.
Hey. Boy, Mildred, me never know you that get up and cook so soon, man. Babu reach with it. Why me they enjoy it? What kind of fish this? Wara? Snook? Huh? Well, if I snook, you can cook. For me they enjoy it. I want to tell you now, Mildred, the man them come up here and cast the storeroom for me now. Nearly done. Hey, me tell you say, we have to make sure say we have a storeroom them, where we can put up our produce and we see them. Because there is coming a time when we never can get nothing. So we have to make sure say, we can sustain ourselves. Yeah, man. So, over the week, yeah, man, me I come up there, man. Over the weekend, me I come up there. All right, then, so me have to say that too? Sure. All right, man. Love you. Sure. You know. Who me have to say it.